What is Index? Index is a new developer-centric conference in San Francisco.
Index is a community conference, by developers for developers. It's not IBM, it's not proprietary, it's open for the community, for everyone.
New type of conference that is not just focused on products, but primarily on technologies.
Index is a different conference than others. It's set up in this very beautiful city, San Francisco.
You can think of Index as one big meetup. Everyone usually comes to a meetup. You got enterprise developers, startup developers, students, and everyone in between.
Think developer sessions for developers. Code will be shown and shared, most likely by the folks that wrote it themselves.
So no one is selling anything. We want to provide high quality, hands-on technical education that developers can use today.
Participation from most of the largest and leading IT companies in the US and the world today.
We got speakers from Amazon, Google, Microsoft, Uber, Liveband, Slack, Spotify. It's a pretty awesome lineup.
We will see plenty of different organizations that are running. It's not single vendor, it's multiple vendor.
I think it's one of those rare conferences that you want to attend.